Hello guys, today I will show you how to make an Aternos server or a Minecraft server. You might need a Minecraft server for your survival world or to play Minecraft games with your friends, or you might need it to test plugins or anything. So to make a Minecraft server, a free one, go to aternos.org. Click play, but it might ask you to create an account, which I have already done, but creating an account is fairly easy. Now click create here and click the pen icon and name the server to what you want. I'll just name it to test3432 and then click create. There's also the MOTD which you can change. You can also add colored numbers or letters. I'll just add E and click create. Now go to software and pick what software you want. Personally, I'd do Fabric and add some performance mods because it gives you the most performance. But if you're looking for some good plugins, go for Bucket or Paper or Spigot. Or go to Vanilla if you want nothing. You can also change the version you want, and you can change the software by clicking change here and pick what you want and click the version you want. Click install. Go to plugins and you can pick what plugins you want. I will pick a plugin I want, Essentials X, which is a very good plugin you need for your server. You can also change your worlds or delete your worlds by deleting the file here, or just going to the worlds tab here and then uploading your world or downloading it or deleting it. And also go to backups and save backups to your Google Drive folder. You might need to connect your Google Drive account to Aternos. And also go to access and manage sub-users for your server so people can access your SMP server. Go to options and you can say how many slots you want. I'll just set it to 28 and click the save icon. You can also check if it's cracked, so turn it on or off. I'll turn it off. And also do whitelist, command blocks, fly, animals, and difficulty. I'll set it to hard. And yeah, that's how you do it. You can also set your Java version. I'll do Java 17 because it's most popular. There's also spawn protection and stuff. So yeah, that's how you make an Aternos server or a Minecraft server. And yeah, that's it. Bye guys. Please subscribe and like.